Okay. What's looking, huh, Andrew? Everything is okay?
It's okay, everything is okay.
We can start?
Can start now.
Okay, good.
Mr. Jackson, thank
Yeah.
you.
Welcome.
Thank you at first that we are guests in your house.
Welcome.
I have a good look. It's a big school. It's
Yeah.
an important school, I think.
Thank you.
And I have some questions.
Yes, you can ask.
Our children in KG3 are starting to STD 1
Yeah.
in December, and what can we do for our children in a private school in Kenya?
Yeah, what you can do for the children in private school in Kenya is that because your kindergarten is only KG1, KG2, KG3.
Yeah.
So you should take them where there's a private school, where they will be accommodated to start learning from STD1, where there will be enough room for them to continue learning,
Yeah.
getting quality education. Yes.
Okay. And we speak about different between private school and public school. I think if parents can pay that, or we can help the poor parents, it's in fact better to take children in a private school. That's right.
Yeah, it's better. That's a good idea, because we see now these children when they go to private school, fine, and if you take them to public school, also fine. But sometimes you can go to private school and they make that one class, the children is more than 20 or 40 children.
Yeah.
And the children you will take there, it will be a problem for them to understand what the teacher will be teaching others. But now, when you take these children, where you can get maybe around 20 children or 30 children, so that child will be able to learn and understand what the teacher will be teaching them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we speak about freeness for learning material and freeness for school way. What can you tell me about this school?
What I can tell you is this: the private school, they never get support from the government. The private school gets support from the parents or wishers or donors. So the money parents pay or donors pay, it helps school to have material things like stationery, football balls, like all things that's needed. Also to cater for electricity, to cater for the water, to cater for the firewood, because some schools they are doing feeding program. They should buy firewood, they should buy charcoal and OETC. So the money which are used to pay in private schools goes for material things at school. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Jackson, I say thank you again for that we can come to your school.
Much welcome.
That we can speak about some things.
Yes.
Not all things can get in my mind. It's different, very different to German schools.
Yeah.
But I think Andrew and me, we have to help here in Ukunda, and maybe we can make a little more for our children's. Maybe we can send some children to your school.
Yeah, you are much welcome. Let me thank you in advance for good work you are doing. Whatever you are doing, you are supporting a Kenyan child. And this way of giving the child education, you are supporting his or our future. Because without education, there's no future for a child. And me as I, Jackson, I really welcome your ideas, and I'm going to support you, and I'm going to welcome those children to learn in this school. My school, Shikamana, is there to support the needy children as you are doing.
Yes.
So it is my responsibility to support you, to cooperate with you to support a Kenyan child.
That's very fine.
Yeah.
I say thank you
Welcome.
and have a good time. And I hope we can see us later.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Thank
and then
you.
God bless you. Let us work together. Together we can.
Yes,
Together we can.
we can.